Oh, what it do, YouTube? Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Snowfall on the hall. Big green. Ice hauler. Yeah, by the time y'all see this video, man, it's molded in. It's molded in. Everything. Just to put these headers on, man. See, can I put these headers on? These headers on, baby. Okay, the good headers. Okay, the good headers. Gasket, boy. I might have had a gas. I had them, man. I took them off, man. That stuff. Oh, yeah, these are good ones, boy. Yeah, these like some good ones, huh? What's going on? That's how this should go to the block. Well, it shouldn't matter, though. Shouldn't really matter, though. Oh, man, I don't like these gaskets either. No, I don't like these gaskets. Look at them. They're already splitting. Look at it, already splitting. Gonna leak already. Trash. I ain't even gonna put them on. They trash, YouTube. You get online, order a double time. Yeah, they're good here, though. I'm gonna order a double time. I'm gonna put them on, though. Let's see they fit. The whole stuff lined over here, man. You can see it. I already got a crack in it. Look at it. I already got a crack in it. Yeah, she gonna look at that. I already got a crack in YouTube. So I'm gonna get online. Get online and order the double ones. Yeah, look at that. Look at YouTube. You tell me they ain't gonna leak. Tell me they ain't gonna leak, YouTube. Should I put them on though? Put them on anyway though. Pay for them. I really just want to sit them up there, man. Make sure. Like that. Just want to make sure the helmet fit. So, but you know you gotta bring the header from the bottom. Gotta bring the header from the bottom, baby. So let's see how good these headers fit without no. If they ain't got a beat on nothing, then it go straight on. You better find out. You better find out, YouTube. Got a couple guys here said, "Perk, you ain't gonna like those headers. You ain't got enough clearance. Keep what you got and just paint them." Yeah, sounds good. But I'm gonna paint some. If I gotta paint them, I'm gonna paint the headers. If I gotta paint some, I'm gonna paint the headers. If I gotta paint it, they gonna turn the color. And I was gonna do what I really want. I really wanted headers. I ain't want to paint them all that. You don't want to turn the color? Already? I ain't even put them on the car yet. I ain't even put them on the car. That's already looking. Ain't do pretty easy. Oh yeah, YouTube. Maybe the money. Put them both in this thing. Maybe in the money. And I gotta slide my motor back. Yeah, we may be in the money, YouTube. And I gotta slide the motor back because I ain't got my drive shift up in, so I ain't got it in the right position, so I'm gonna have to slide it back. But let's see, can I put these bolts in here? These manifolds. What two holes go with? Go like this. I ain't gonna tie them down, I'm just gonna snug them. Cause they coming off. These manifolds coming off. I ain't even gonna mess with these manifolds. Gonna break down about a real deal. I'm double gas. And everybody getting them. I'm trying to do it one time. I put this up in. I'm trying to do it one time. Put the boat in that I had made. Ain't two of them. Afraid I got that making girl, but really want to get in the way. That may be it. Let's see. One to the back, one to the big one to the back too. Let me see you two and I tighten them up. All I need is looking pretty good, baby. Like my boy say, gonna be a pretty situation. Gonna be a pretty situation. I gotta get that one. That's the main one I need, that big one. Got my tools. Man, just head. Yeah, ain't doing much today. I gotta drop the computer off. That's gonna be the next video y'all see. Me dropping off this computer. That's the next video y'all gonna see me dropping off this computer. Then I'm gonna drop the rest of them. If I ain't said already, happy Thanksgiving to all y'all, baby. This year almost over, man. So it's a good year for y'all, bad year, good year. In between. To me, always a good year. Why I can't find a boat? I can't find a boat. I can't find a ratchet. Where's my ratchet? Man, still had that thing. Ain't over there. Good dog, I had that rock. I don't know hell nowhere. Yep, that one went on. That one went on nice and neat. I gotta find one for this one. That one went on. That one went on. But I gotta find this nut, man. Oh, socket, I mean. You better know I had it, I'll pull it off. Oh, okay. My good old 10, baby. My good old 10. 10 goes a lot of stuff, boy. Then again, it may work. It may work. What y'all think, man? Think the breakdown gonna get them now? Wait. Y'all, this baby running low. Baby getting low. I'm gonna make a fight for me. Yep, all she got left. Put this thing on the charger. Tighten that back one up. Let y'all can see. She's in there. Look, got good clearance already. What dude talking about? Got good clearance already. Got good clearance already. I'll get a smaller boat for that one. Put some more washing on it. This mother got room. I should be able to slide this mother through there. Let's see YouTube. All the room this rocker here got over here. I should be able to slide that rocker. I should be able to slide that rocker right on through. Let's see. Now you gonna grab this one. Oh, here got a mega room. You should slide right on in, Annie. Right on in. Huh? Oh, I see a YouTube video. It don't ring like that. There you go. Okay, right on.
Right now, you know.
Yeah, I totally get one though. They ain't gonna last long. Hers going out. You might think I throw it around 2 quarters. You too, look at the birthday girl.
Huh?
I said, you too, look at the birthday girl.
Oh, no, I ain't good.
Girl, you ain't in the car. You too. I'm tell you, man. Now what I can't find. Oh, there it is, right there. Look at the gas. Good Lord. I can't find nothing. So, let me see what this side going on, right? Ain't the boat there. See if I can get this side on. But yeah, I'm ordering some. So when I put these manifolds on one time only. I ain't trying to take it back off. These things ain't clean enough anyway. Get one boat in, baby. All you need is one boat. I won't get in there. Alright, one boat in, dude. But y'all drop down and comment what y'all think. Y'all think I should get some more handles? Yeah. Some more. Let's get some hella gaskets. Double layer thin. Think I need to get some double layer thin. I think I am. Okay, I ain't trying to go through this no more. Which ain't hard, but got room for everything. Still. two harder both right here. The one in the back, man. Either one or two I had dude fix. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a bit. That one enough. Get this last one. I think I just had two of them. I had two. Yeah, two of them like that. So get this last one in YouTube. One, two, and that's the boat. We go to. What's that? I don't know, it may work though. I don't know, y'all saw that gas look. What y'all think? Drop that in the comments. Y'all don't even worry about it. It's gone. Gonna replace both of them now. Do them. Mess up. Do how to do them wrong. I think we're gonna be in there. You think you can go in and make neat. Get in there. Yep, they in there. Yep, they in there, YouTube. They in there, YouTube. But now, drop down the comments, man, 'cause I'm not gonna tighten it down. I'm gonna wait. I want y'all to post both these videos. What y'all think I do? Y'all think I should change that gasket out? Order me some new gaskets? I think I am, man. So I ain't gotta worry about it. Cause once I put them on there, I want them on there. So yeah, YouTube, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna break down over some gaskets this week. Get some one of those. They ain't cost that much. See what they run. See how they run, YouTube. Order me some. So I ain't gotta have it in my head. It's in my truck. I ain't gotta have it in my head. Don't worry about it. Or, y'all fancy ride with it. I'm gonna both my guys up. I know two of my guys got them in their car. If they ain't changed their gasket out, I'm gonna ride with it. I'm gonna holler at them later on. Send them the video. Or I'm gonna send it to my guy. Let him see, man. What you think, man? Think I should take this off now or roll with it? If he say roll with it, my God, we gonna roll with it. But like, man, first go and change it out now before you have a problem later. Or y'all drop down the comment, y'all let me know. What would y'all do? Change them gaskets out for the double layers? Or roll with that? Me? I think I'm gonna get them double layers. Metal layers. So I know what I got. My homeboy got when they car like that. They ain't messed up. I'ma see. Yeah, headers on. Headers on. So y'all, that's how I know it ain't pushed back all the way. Look at all that room back there. Too much room. Too much room. We gotta go back like about 2 more inches. And it's close to that. But I'm gonna wait till I get my drive shaft made up. Well, change my joints out. Then I know. Then I know how far I can move it back. Yeah, you two up and put these on, put this on right together. And I got the head out. I ain't got a gas in this thing yet. No gas in that. I gotta put the gas in on that run. But I ain't locking it down yet anyway. I gotta put the gas on that and on my intake. But I I'll do it today when I get back. Or tomorrow. My next thing, I want my drive shit right. I gotta find out some heat. They do tomorrow though, big Thanksgiving. What y'all cooking, man? Y'all cooking? Or y'all eating? Y'all cooking or y'all eating? What y'all doing, man? Me? I'm eating. I ain't cooking nothing. Can't cook. Can't boil water. Can't cook a thing. I know how to work on these cars. I need to put my valve cook gaskets on. I need to put on. I need to put them on. I'll do all that tomorrow, later on the day when I get back. Ain't no biggie. Yeah, if I'm gonna do it the day when I get back. Or tomorrow. Yeah, just tomorrow. I'm done for the day. I don't know, you know me. I get back, got time. I'm gonna wire the rocker up tomorrow though. I'm gonna wire all that rocker up. I'm gonna wire everything up tomorrow. I hope these gaskets good, boy. I hope these jets is good. So I gotta change all those seals out. Y'all see all those seals? I got some brand new ones. And I got that. Well, damn. Hand up some. I don't need y'all anyway. I got some brand new ones. Fall out. I don't need y'all anyway. I got brand new ones. I need y'all anyway. Boom. Y'all here fell down. Run after that to that. Have my wires ran. I could do this right now. It'll take about 5 minutes. I have all the rock wires ran. Nice and neat. Tucked away. Out the way. Loomed up. I got back my loom. Man, I'm talking about that. Man, it's gonna look so good too. Whoever thought purple LS in this put dog. You gonna look like it too? Man, you ain't gonna see no wires. You gonna look just like that. One wire, you gonna see this one wire going to my what's name. Yeah, I'm gonna run these wires, get some more brand new loom this up. Run them up under there. All the way around to that. Something. Alright, you two over there, man. Let's get these headless pictures. Look at my spark fluid. Let's see the spark fluid look like. Alright, you two, we over there, baby.